And here's a really key insight. That sell side, that profit-taking sell side, stopped almost to the day when we sold off in November and hit 80K. Just completely off a cliff. So there is signal there. The old hands knew that above 100K was probably a bit frothy. It's late stage in bull. There's enough demand for me to actually exit. Now is the right time. Once we got to 80K, the signal was the opposite. Now is not the right time to sell. I'm going to back away. So now we're in the stage of the people who bought that top. They're crystallizing losses on the way down, where we've switched over from a profit-absorbing market to we're now just trying to flush out the top buyers who don't want to see the end of the movie. So there's been a very clear psychological shift. It started at 80K, and once we got down to 60K, profit-taking is just, it's basically back down below 2023 levels. So pre-bull market stuff. No profit. Over the last 30 days, a lot's happened in the last 30 days. Less than 8% of all the coins that have moved came from a price below 60K. The vast majority of people are people who bought the top that are currently transacting. So we're in this, like, you would know, right? When you've been in Bitcoin for a long time, even if you sell some, you're not going to be like, oh, I'm never going to look at that asset ever again. Like, Bitcoin is this thing where, like, once you understand it, you literally go so far that you make a career out of it, you make a podcast out of it, because it's like, it's so fascinating. What are these smart old hands doing? They sold the top. They're now no longer selling. They're in either wait and see mode, or they're in, I like that price mode. And if they're in wait and see mode at 80K, where do you think they are at 60K? They're moving back towards that. Now's the time to step back in. So it's just that psychological shift, and it takes time. That's what people get chopped up by. They think these things are going to happen straight away, but it just takes time.